Respected judges, good morning to all of you. I, Abha Sharma, with my leader,
Dharmesh Sahu,
studying in DAV Public School, SCCL Chhar, District Raigad, Chhattisgarh, worked on a project titled Self-Adjusting Solar Panel for Sustainable Living. One day, while working in the farms, we noticed that the rate of flow of water by tube well pump varies with time. During mid of the day, the rate of flow of water was found to be more than in morning and evening. The question arose in our minds, why is this so? We talked about the same to our science teacher, Mr. Ajay Sharma sir. He told that the variation in the rate of flow of water may be due to the variation in the power supply. When we thought of the power supply, we got the answer of our question. Actually, the pump operates on the energy produced by solar panel, which is fixed at ground, which produces different amount of energy at different time. At noon, the sun rays are perpendicular to the solar panel and hence it produces more amount of energy than it produces in morning and evening. As in morning and evening, sun rays are tilted. This incident inspired us to work on self-adjusting solar panel which would trace the position of sun and keep its face towards sun the whole day. After getting an idea of an automated solar panel, we started searching the action of sensors and relay system that can be used in the project. Then we visited an electronic shop of Mr. Sahu at Tamnar, District Raigad, Chhattisgarh, to learn the working of microcontroller and sensors. Then we placed an order of the devices online. After getting all the devices, we connected them with sensor and we measured the power produced by solar panel which was fixed on ground and the self-adjusting solar panel. The observations were taken in summer and winter season as well, and the observation of 15th December 2020 during winter season are in this table. This part of the table shows the power produced by fixed solar panel at ground, and this part of the table shows the power produced by sun tracking system which was self-adjusted. The observations were taken after each hour, and at 8 am 0.63 watt of power was produced by solar panel which was fixed on ground, and self-adjusting solar panel produced 0.87 watt of power. From 8 am onwards, the power produced by both the solar panels increases till 12 noon. At 12 noon, both the solar panels produced same amount of power, that was 1.71 watt and 1.71 watt. From 12 o'clock onwards, the power produced by both the solar panels decreased, and at 5 pm 0.01 watt of power was produced by fixed solar panel and 0.05 watt of power was produced by sun tracking solar panel which was self-adjusted. The total power produced by fixed solar panel was 7.99 watt and total power produced by self-adjusting solar panel was 11.13 watt. We also calculated the extra power produced by self-adjusting solar panel in this way. The total power produced by self-adjusted solar panel, that was 11.13 watt, minus the total power produced by fixed solar panel, that was 7.99 watt, divided by 7.99 into 100. This was found to be 39% more than the power produced by fixed solar panel. The observation of 15th June 2020 during summer season are tabulated here. At 8 am 0.39 watt of power was produced by fixed solar panel and 2.12 watt of power was produced by self-adjusted solar panel. In this case also, the output of both the solar panels increased from 8 am to 12 o'clock. At 12 o'clock, the same readings were in both the solar panels. That was 2.67 watt and 2.67 watt was produced by both the solar panels. Here also, after 12 o'clock, the power produced by both the solar panels start decreasing. At 6 pm, 0.06 watt of power was produced by fixed solar panel and 0.16 watt of power was produced by self-adjusted solar panel. Total power of 12.29 watt was produced by fixed solar panel, whereas 16.64 watt of power was produced by self-adjusted solar panel. The extra power produced by self-adjusted solar panel in this way, the total power produced by self-adjusted solar panel, that was 16.64 watt, minus the total power produced by fixed solar panel, that was 12.29 watt, divided by 12.29 into 100. This was found to be 35% more than the power produced by fixed solar panel. Let's have a look over its construction and working.
Block of this system are sensors, microcontroller, servo motor and solar panel rated to 9 volt 0.33 ampere, which was mounted on the wooden frame. The main functional block of this system are sensors, servo motor, solar panel and microcontroller. All the sensors send their output to microcontroller and microcontroller execute its predefined task in its code. In the case of night, all the sensors stop their operation and rearrange the solar panel for next morning. Suppose this torch is acting as sun, and when the sun rises, this will automatically track the sun, and when the sun sets, it will rearrange the solar panel for the next morning. Finally, our observation shows that in winter season, 39% more energy can produce with sun tracking system, while in summer, 35% more energy can produce. Thank you.